My name is Melissa Dubovic, and I'll be your instructor for Assessments That Meet Learning Styles. To the left is a picture of me, as well as my poodle Morgan, who just turned 1 a few months ago. Just a little background about myself. I've been in education for the past 7 years. I've also taught mathematics during those 7 years, high school particularly. I've taught everything from a pre-algebra class all the way up to a class that was basically statistics and trigonometry. So I've seen a lot of different levels of math and have taught a lot of different concepts. I designed this course, Assessments That Meet Learning Styles, for a few reasons. First is really because of learning styles. I found that if you understand how your students learn, you are able to give your students more choices of how to display that particular knowledge. Maybe be able to incorporate projects that have real-world examples in them, whether it might be creating a blueprint using different shapes that you talked about and having to find area of those shapes. And also make your curriculum transparent to the students. Anytime that you can really lay out what your course is going to be like, or even just the unit and where you're going to go next, will help students really understand where the connections lie. The reason right now I am completing my intro video this way is I've been experimenting with a flipped classroom, which means instead of giving my lectures, direct instruction particularly, in the classroom, I'm recording my videos and having them watch them at home, coming back in with notes and questions that they might have. Then I spend primarily my time just kind of looking at what questions and comments and concerns they have about particular problems. So I'll give them a problem set, for example, or a practice quiz to do in class, and we'll go through that entire set of problems together. And it alleviates a lot of stress for some students, because when they go home they might not have somebody that really understands algebra or geometry. So they're able to ask me the questions, and it gives a chance for the parents to kind of see what they're doing in class and to go back. And I have a Moodle site that has all of those links to those videos for those particular units that I've tried this with. Well, and if you would like any information how I do that, please let me know. I'd be more than welcome to kind of share how I go through and create those videos for my students. And just welcome, and I really look forward to working with you in the coming weeks.